Oh. Ha. Oh. Huh? Ah.
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha. Huh? A.
Try again. Follow the lines.
A. Oh. Huh. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah. E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh. E. Ah. Oh. Ah. Wow. E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. Unicorn.
Of course, U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
Ah. A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels. Balloon. Giant slide! Ah! Cars! Oh! Present! Ah! Oh! Ah! Balloons! Huh. Hmm. Huh. Hmm. Oh. Red balloon. Hello, ghost. Red. Oh, red rabbit, red car. More. Huh? No, not red. Huh? Ha! Huh? Huh? Oh. Yellow balloon. Hello, ghost. Yellow. Yellow rabbit. Yellow car. Huh? Huh? Oh! Whoa! Blue balloon! Hello, ghost. Whoa! Blue. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning, early in the morning. Wash, 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 wash. can comb my hair. I can comb my hair. This is the way we eat breakfast, eat breakfast, eat breakfast. This is the way we eat breakfast early in the morning, early in the morning. Eat, 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 eat. I can eat my breakfast. I can eat my breakfast. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning, early in the morning. Brush, 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 brush. I can brush my teeth. I can brush my teeth. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school early in the morning, early in the morning. School, 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 school. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. Yay!
The colors, find your favorite. I choose brown. I want to eat some chocolate.